Traveling in 2025 comes with new rules and hidden airline policies that passengers often overlook. New tips for checking luggage in 2025 airlines won't warn you can make the difference between a smooth journey and lost or delayed bags. To avoid unpleasant surprises, knowing these latest strategies is crucial. Airlines are constantly updating their baggage policies, and staying informed ensures a hassle-free experience. Before getting into the most important luggage checking tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more essential travel updates. Tip 1. Know the new weight and size limits. Many airlines are quietly tightening their baggage policies, and travelers who aren't aware of these updates risk paying unexpected fees. In 2025, some airlines have reduced the maximum weight limit for checked bags, while others have altered their size restrictions to accommodate new aircraft storage layouts. This means a suitcase that was acceptable last year might now be considered oversized. Extra charges for overweight or oversized luggage can be quite expensive, sometimes costing more than an additional carry-on bag. To avoid this, checking the airline's baggage policy before traveling is essential. This information is usually available on the airline's website or mobile app. Some carriers have also introduced tiered weight pricing, meaning that even a few extra pounds could lead to an increase in fees. One of the easiest ways to prevent overweight baggage problems is by using a portable luggage scale. Weighing the suitcase at home before heading to the airport allows adjustments in advance, preventing last-minute repacking in a crowded terminal. Additionally, travelers should consider expandable luggage that can be compressed if needed. Some modern suitcases also come with built-in weight indicators, eliminating any guesswork. Tip 2. Secure bags with airline-approved locks. Baggage security is a growing concern, and while TSA-approved locks have been around for years, smart locks are now becoming the new standard. These advanced locks not only keep bags secure but also offer real-time tracking through mobile apps. Some models send alerts when the suitcase is opened or moved, adding an extra layer of protection. For travelers who prefer traditional locks, using cable-style TSA locks is recommended since they are harder to cut compared to standard padlocks. However, it's important to remember that even TSA-approved locks may be removed if security personnel deem it necessary. Another effective way to protect checked luggage is by using tamper-proof luggage covers or baggage wrapping services available at most major airports. These add an additional barrier against unauthorized access and also help protect the suitcase from damage. Many travelers have reported that baggage wrapping significantly reduces the risk of missing items from their luggage. Tip 3. Use digital bag tags for faster check-in. Lost luggage is one of the biggest travel headaches, but in 2025, digital bag tags are making the check-in process faster and more secure. Unlike traditional paper tags that can easily tear or be misplaced, digital tags are electronic devices that attach to the suitcase and update flight details automatically. Some airlines now allow travelers to check in their bags through a mobile app before arriving at the airport. The digital tag displays the baggage claim number and flight details, reducing errors caused by misprinted or misplaced paper tags. Another major advantage of digital bag tags is that some models come with GPS tracking, making it easy to locate lost or delayed luggage in real time. However, it's important to check whether the airline supports digital bag tags, as not all carriers have adopted this technology yet. For travelers who still use traditional paper tags, it's a good idea to take a photo of the printed baggage claim ticket in case it gets lost. Having a digital copy makes it easier to track the suitcase if it goes missing. Tip 4. Avoid last-minute check-ins to reduce the risk of lost luggage. Many travelers don't realize that checking in bags at the last minute significantly increases the chances of lost or delayed luggage. Airlines operate on tight schedules, and baggage handlers need enough time to process and load checked luggage onto the correct flight. When bags are checked in too late, they may not make it onto the plane in time, especially during peak travel seasons. Some airlines prioritize early checked baggage, meaning that last-minute check-ins are the most likely to be delayed or rerouted. To avoid this, passengers should arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight. This allows enough time for baggage processing and reduces the likelihood of luggage being misplaced. Another important tip is to keep valuable items like electronics, medication, and important documents in a carry-on bag. If checked luggage does get delayed, having these essentials on hand prevents major inconveniences. Tip 5. Take photos of checked bags for identification. Luggage mix-ups are more common than most travelers think, especially when many suitcases look alike. One of the easiest ways to quickly retrieve lost or misplaced luggage is by having clear photos of the suitcase taken before check-in. A good practice is to take multiple photos, including a full shot of the suitcase, showing its color, size, and design. Close-up photos of any unique identifying features, such as stickers, scratches, or luggage tags, also help. Additionally, taking a picture of the baggage claim tag that includes the tracking number can make the identification process much easier. If a suitcase goes missing, showing these photos to airline staff can speed up the recovery process. Some airlines even allow passengers to upload luggage photos to their customer service apps, making identification easier. For added protection, using a luggage tracker is a smart investment. Bluetooth-enabled tracking devices, such as Apple AirTags or tile trackers, can be placed inside the suitcase and provide real-time location updates. In case of delays or mix-ups, these trackers help pinpoint the exact location of the luggage, preventing long waits and unnecessary stress. Tip 6. Choose non-stop flights whenever possible to reduce luggage mishandling. One of the biggest reasons luggage goes missing is due to tight layovers and baggage transfers between connecting flights. The more times a suitcase is moved between planes, the higher the risk of it being delayed, misrouted, or even lost. Airlines prioritize direct flights when handling luggage, meaning that bags checked on non-stop routes are much less likely to be misplaced. If a connecting flight is unavoidable, choosing a longer layover, at least 90 minutes, gives baggage handlers enough time to transfer luggage properly. Short layovers under 45 minutes put bags at greater risk of being left behind, especially during peak travel seasons when airports are busy. Additionally, some airlines use different baggage tracking systems at different airports, which can lead to errors in luggage handling. Travelers should always check their baggage claim sticker after check-in to ensure that the correct final destination code is printed on the tag. If an error is spotted, notifying an airline representative immediately can prevent major headaches later. Tip 7. Pack smart to avoid TSA delays and damaged items. Packing checked luggage properly is just as important as securing it. In 2025, security screenings are becoming even more thorough, and incorrectly packed bags can be flagged for manual inspection, causing delays. To prevent TSA from rummaging through personal belongings, liquids, aerosols, and fragile items should be packed carefully in sealed bags or protective cases. One common mistake travelers make is packing valuable or sensitive items in checked luggage without protection. Electronics, perfumes, and breakable souvenirs should be wrapped in bubble wrap or clothing to prevent damage during handling. Additionally, packing heavier items toward the bottom of the suitcase and lighter, softer items on top helps absorb shocks during transport. Some airlines have also started banning certain items from checked luggage that were previously allowed, such as large lithium batteries and certain types of power banks. Checking the airline's website for updated regulations before packing ensures compliance with the latest security rules. Tip 8. Avoid common baggage claim scams and mistakes. Even after a smooth flight, baggage claim areas can be hotspots for theft and mistakes, leading to missing or stolen luggage. In 2025, scammers and opportunistic thieves are using new tactics to steal or swap suitcases, making it crucial for travelers to be extra cautious. One of the biggest risks is luggage swapping scams, where a thief deliberately picks up someone else's bag, especially if it looks similar to theirs. To prevent this, using a highly visible luggage tag, unique luggage covers, or bright-colored straps makes it easier to identify bags quickly. Attaching a discreet personal mark inside the bag, such as a business card or custom label, also helps confirm ownership if there's any confusion. Another mistake travelers make is leaving the baggage claim area too soon when their luggage is delayed. If a bag doesn't arrive on the carousel, waiting around and checking with airline staff immediately increases the chances of retrieving it quickly. Some travelers make the mistake of assuming their bag is permanently lost and leave the airport, only to find out later that their luggage arrived on the next flight. To stay safe, travelers should always double-check baggage claim tags and inspect their suitcases before leaving the airport. If anything seems off, like a broken lock, an open zipper, or missing items, it's essential to report it immediately at the airline's baggage service desk. Taking these precautions ensures checked luggage arrives safely, even in crowded and chaotic baggage claim areas. Checking luggage in 2025 doesn't have to be stressful. By following these new tips for checking luggage in 2025, airlines won't warn you. Travelers can avoid unnecessary fees, lost baggage, and security delays. From using smart locks and digital bag tags to choosing non-stop flights and real-time tracking, these strategies ensure a smooth and hassle-free journey. Airline policies are constantly changing, so staying informed is the key to avoiding last-minute surprises. Keeping these luggage checking tips in mind will help ensure that suitcases arrive safely at their destination, no matter where the next adventure leads. For more essential travel tips and updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay ahead of the latest airline changes. Safe travels!